Peter Damien playing Let It Be. Graffiti house over there. Sunday Funday. What a day. Silent disco going on out there. Ecstatic dance. Volleyball. It's all happening, guys. Dr. Green, Pedicab Pro. Local summertime. Not quite as crowded, but still premium beach weather. That's right. Get down, my man. Shake it, shake it. Artist. A lot of artists out here. When you come to Venice, take your time, guys. Check out the art. Photos, video, support the scene. Come out of pocket if you can. Cop a little something. Cruising it, we're cruising it. Ba, ba, ba. Stay frosty. Biggie Smalls. Shouts to Mark Nairn. Great art show last night right here at Brooks. Yay, yay. Good show last night, huh? Go holler at Ken in a minute. Check out the jump circle real quick. Double bike. Surfer. Bring back the freak show. Keep Venice freaky. The key when you're biking and filming, guys, and filming all the time, you don't look through the camera. You just hold it so you don't look through it. It's our homie Joker. Joker. Everybody's out here. Venice scene. I love Venice. Volley, volley, volley. Communicate. That's the key to sports. Communicate, teamwork. Everybody do their part. The team wins. There we go. That's our boy, the artist. He was there last night. There they go. Yay, yay, yo, yo. Lopez and crew. Watch it over us, keeping us safe. Thank you, thank you. Peace and love. Nice red tent there. Nice white chair. Nice form. Venice teriyaki, wee chippy. Donkey's Gallery, legendary stoner art. What a day, what a day. Yay, yay. Roller gang, Sunday Funday crew. Skaters. Stay frosty, rule number one. Street art going down. Smell that paint, that's right. Photo shoot, there you go. Get the shots. Street art walls, DIY. There he is, yay, yay. Street art, good stuff there. Always fresh art, popping colors, inspiring, motivating. Gang's all here, riding bikes. turbo. Past the goofy cornball camera guy. Hey now. No shades. Nick, what's up, bro? The Hoopers, good pass. Oh, give and go all day. Full court, nice. Full court on court 3. I don't always see that. Handball, crowded over there. Looks like some sort of shoot. Tech ball. Nice. Hey, hey. Muscle Beach going down. Beautiful day. I say, a lot of activities. Outside, number 1. Nothing like being outside. Madre Mundo takes good care of us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Stay frosty on the bike path. Around the world we go. Took you guys on the full cruise almost. Almost. Hey now. Hey guys, make sure you saw that green UFO photo we got downtown. If you haven't seen it, let us know in the comments. We'll get that photo. Make sure you see it. Green UFO, 1 a.m. downtown. Alien face in the UFO. You got to see it to believe it. So if you haven't seen it yet, it's on our page, Instagram. We got a YouTube video where it's the thumbnail. If you haven't seen it, we'll hook you up. We'll put you on. We'll tap you in. All right, reporting live from Venice Beach. We are the Earth. One love, baby. Jordan. Classics never go out of style. When you grind, it pays off forever. Just ask MJ.